Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 24th of October 2012. There was a big sell-off on global markets overnight, with stocks on both sides of the Atlantic slumping amid growing concerns over US corporate profitability. A number of US blue chips were hammered as companies including DuPont and 3M reported earnings and guidance that fell short of analyst estimates. The reaction was savage, with the Dow recording its worst one-session loss since June. Other indices weren't spared from the carnage, with Germany and France sinking over 2% after Moody's cut credit ratings on a number of Spanish regions. There wasn't much to cheer about in commodity markets, with oil sliding almost 3% as the poor US earnings ignited fears of a sharp drop in energy demand. Elsewhere, gold fell to an almost 6-week low as the US dollar rose on the back of safe haven demand. The euro weakened on Moody's Spain downgrade, whilst the Aussie dollar shed 0.5% ahead of today's September quarter CPI data, which is expected to support the case for additional RBA rate cuts. The SPY was slammed in the overnight session and in the process broke below the 45.10 support region. There was a slight bounce late, but the 4500 region is likely to cap the gains and could proceed another move lower for the index. Following the bearish night overseas, the Aussie market is on track to open around 40 points weaker this morning. For the Asian markets, we maintain a neutral bias on the Nikkei and a long bias on the Hang Seng, whilst in the Australian equity section we have a short biased trading idea on Pacific Brands. That wraps up the Australian Stock Report morning update. Thank you for listening.